Running on instinct, teeth in the dark, hearts beating louder when the moon leaves its mark. We're not the heroes, we're not the damned, just holding the line with blood on our hands. Trying to live our normal lives, but when danger strikes, our inner beast show we are human after all. Wolf Team!
They say college is where you find yourself. Funny, that's where I learned what I really was.
Still cramming, Will? Coffee might help.
Ugh, maybe later, this is due.
You're gonna walk into a poll one day, genius.
Statistically unlikely, sis.
You are the statistic.
Huh? Ow! Ugh, my head.
Called it. Morning, my favorite disaster couple.
We're not a couple.
Yet. Ignore your sister. Big test today, remember?
Yeah, science lab. What could go wrong?
Everything.
Good morning, class. Today's experiment involves cellular mutation under radiation exposure. That's not concerning at all?
Relax, bro. We've survived worse.
On my right, we have a machine I've built that will mutate any human cell using radiation into their inner beast. All I needed was a blood sample, which I already took earlier from one of the college students. So let me go ahead and put the blood sample in the machine. Now let's see if the blood I collected is good enough for the mutation. What now? The machine should not be doing that! No. No, no, no!
Huh?
Like a wolf.
Will, breathe. Control it. Interesting. So you're not human after all.
Class dismissed! Yeah! That impulse in the science lab felt familiar.
Yeah, you almost lost it, bro. And tonight is the full moon. Oh, that's bad.
We'll just chain ourselves again.
But that did not work at all last time. So what? We run away from campus and hide in the woods?
We protect people, no matter what.
Aw, that's why I love you. Will, your face! Get a room, you guys. So, what's the plan for tonight?
I was thinking of hitting the library.
Again? Let's do something fun.
Wait, hold on. Do you guys smell that?
Fear. And blood.
Huh?
That scream came from outside.
We have to go! Now!
Hurry! What's that thing? It's attacking her! I'm curious to see what will happen. That's not human. Neither are we!
Not yet! Ah!
Oh no! we go! Huh? What the hell? Okay, that was totally unexpected.
Protect the human girl.
It will be my pleasure.
Wow, that didn't take long. They are stronger than I thought.
Wow, what a rush! The girl should be safe.
So the wolf spirits still live.
Sounds like we're gonna have company!
We need to go before the police gets here.
Good idea. Right behind you! We're in this together, Will.
Yeah. I know.
Do you think they will realize that we've sent that shadow creature?
I doubt they will know it's us because there is no clues that I've sent that creature.
Seeing what they can do, it might not take them that long.
Continue getting more intel on them. The more we have, the better.
That thing last night was not random. It feels like it was hunting us.
Or something like us.
Well, welcome to another semester.
No, this time it's different.
I'm so bushed and I still have homework to do. This is why humans invented coffee.
I'm gonna go for a shower. I feel dirty from last night's episode.
I agree, I'll join you.
Yeah, good idea. I'm beat.
This feels so good after being so tired.
Yeah, it's relaxing. Just what we needed.
I suppose I must go and make that coffee so I can stay awake for class today. I should have 2 coffees instead of 1. I'm so tired.
Yeah, you look it. Good morning, class. I assume you all heard what happened last night? Due to last night's incident, we'll be studying predatory behavioral patterns.
Huh? Tell me he's not suspicious. He's suspicious with tenure.
Yeah, there's something fishy about the professor. You know, with the professor being suspicious, did it feel like to you guys that we were being watched last night?
It looks like I was right when I spoke to Dr. Klein. These 3 is catching on very, very quickly.
Now that you mention it, I did smell a different scent while we fought that creature last night, and it was not that human girl. Yeah, besides the creature and the girl, the other scent smelled dead and rotten, like a walking zombie. Rotten?
Stupid mutt. She's right about one thing. I am dead because of me being a vampire, but I'm not rotten.
We're gonna have to be more vigilant and observant. And in the meantime, we must try find some clues that will lead us to the source.
Oh, shoot. Here they come.
Hey Bianca, do you know where Will is? I haven't seen him since we spoke on the rooftop.
Yes!
Yeah, he said he was going to practice shooting some hoops on the basketball court.
What is that smell?
Do you smell that?
Oh no, not again!
Your brother is there? We have to go help him! Oh no, we're too late! Your brother is busy losing it. Yeah, he's going all out.
You mutants are busy annoying me! Now I'm gonna rip your heart out!
My sweetie, that's enough. You have to calm down. You've won.
As soon as I rip his heart out!
Please, don't!
Then I'll rip off his head!
I said stop! If you don't stop now, then I will never take a shower with you again!
Huh? I sometimes wonder who's scarier, the mutants or my girlfriend.
The wolf spirit feeds on emotion, fear, rage, instinct. That's why full moons override choice and other nights we transform at will. But when your emotions play a role like instinct and rage the way it does with you, big bro, then the wolf spirit takes control. And if we lose control too often, then we don't come back human. Cool beans, no pressure. But you scared us back there. If you lose yourself, I won't fight you.
Then you'll die.
Then you better stay human. Remember, we're family, my sweetie. Yeah, so don't shut us out.
You've misjudged the Three Mutts' power.
I believe I did. It may seem they've grown stronger over the years, but soon I'll have a strong enough mutant to take all three of the wolves out with all the intel we're gathering from them. Hey, look at this guy, Will. Think you're tough?
Leave him alone!
Yeah. Why don't you run along? Yeah, we will take good care of the ladies for you.
Not interested, so back off!
Calm down, emo girl. We just want to have a little fun. Oh, looks like Will is getting angry.
I said back off!
Whoa, what's wrong with your eyes?
I said scram!
Ah!
The first law of thermodynamics states that energy applies to all forms of energy, including heat and work. Why are you sitting upside down, Bianca?
Blood flow improves memory.
You made that up. Probably. So where's my brother at? He went for a little walk to clear his mind a bit. I'm really worried about him. Lately, he's been very jumpy.
Yeah, and very paranoid too.
If If the wolf is who I really am, what happens to the man? Every instinct says run, every lesson says think. Ah! Oh. Cat. Okay, still human. I'm still fine.
Hey, my sweetie. Are you still okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Okay then. Just remember I am here if you want to talk.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, my angel. The human brain suppresses instinct through...
What is wrong with Will today? He's a bit on edge. My sweetie, cut that out. What is wrong with you?
I can hear everyone's heartbeat.
That's because you're not suppressing anything.
Huh? Mr. Will! Since you're so alert, what happens when instinct overrides logic? People do something stupid?
Predators survive!
Moving on.
You've been on edge lately, my sweetie. Something is bugging you. I'm really worried about you, so please just talk to me. How am I supposed to support you if I don't know what's going on?
Well, I'm worried that every time I change into a wolf trying to help someone in need, that I will lose it and end up hurting them. Every time I'm a wolf, I feel lots of rage, anger, and hate. It feels like it's controlling me and not me it.
You've never been like this, my sweetie. Ever since those two mutants came in the picture, your wolf has been acting up. And besides that, with the first mutant we fought, you still said we must protect the human girl when you were in your wolf form. So you still care about people in your wolf form, it's just that someone's been sending these mutants that's busy frustrating you. Hey, I will always be there to calm you down, I promise.
Yeah, I don't doubt that for 1 second. Thanks for everything, Blondie.
How about we watch a movie tonight, you guys? Aw, that sounds like a good idea. Come on, bro, please say yes. It will take your mind off things.
Alright, fine. As long as it's not one of those girly movies you guys chose last time.
Don't worry. This time we can watch a scary movie.
Great! Now you're talking!
I'll pop us some popcorn for the movie while you guys get the movie ready. There's nothing better than having popcorn with a movie.
Hey, Seraphine, still trying to look tough?
Leave me alone.
Or what, you'll glare me to death?
I'll do a lot worse than that. So do yourself a favor and run back home to your mommy, loser.
Say what?! It's dangerous for a woman to walk alone at night on the campus! Guys like me can do bad stuff to a girl like you.
The only one who is in danger here being alone is you.
That's it! You're mine! Ah!
This movie is really intense.
Heard the 3 wolves took out 2 of your mutants, Doctor. Yes, that's true. They are a lot stronger than we've imagined. What about Seraphine? She's a vampire! Why did she not try taking them out one by one?
They're always together, Master. I asked her to spy on them to get intel on their strengths and weaknesses. I then want to create a mutant strong enough to take all 3 of them out.
Sounds like a good idea. Maybe I can send you one of my mutants. I have the perfect one in mind I can send you while you gather more intel on them fighting my monster.
Thank you, Master. It will help me a lot.
And tell Seraphine to intimidate the Alpha Wolf. A leader of a pack is no leader if he can't lead the pack being confused.
Hello, viewers at home. I hope you liked our first episode of Wolf Tales.
With your help, we can make our show even better.
At the moment, we are using a free version of an AI generator that only allows us a certain amount of generations a day.
So it takes us longer to make one episode like this.
But with your help, making one episode will be quicker. And the video effects and fight scenes will also be better.
All you have to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And click on the like button and share our first episode to all the anime fans out there. So we will see you soon on our second episode. It now will depend on your awesome support how long it will take.
At night on a full moon, 3 wolves comes out and play. They are a pair, they never leave each other astray. Run, 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 oh you mutants, here they come, the family of 3. Till all you mutants meet your end.